Hi girls, I'm back again with another try-on session, and we're really excited to bring an Australian-owned brand here at the Nest. It's brand new and it's called Whispers. We love having Australian-owned brands here at the Nest, and we're very excited to share them with you. So it's affordable fashion, affordable knitwear and bamboo. So I'm going to show you some of the pieces. I'm going to start with the knitwear, and I've got this, it's called a poncho, but I would probably call it a Cardi, but it comes in two colors, a soft pink and this beautiful navy. It is really, really soft, girls. It's quite fine, and you could wear this all day. You wouldn't have to take it off. It's such a beautiful knit. It's got these little button details, so you could actually undo the button and you could actually have it quite asymmetrical and let this side just hang, which I think is a really nice look too. So that asymmetrical look, or you could just wear it open. So it's got this little detail here. The little buttons are on the corners and you could just wear it as a waterfall. I've just got it on with black jeans. I know anyone that knows me wouldn't wear black and navy, me, but I am today. So I'm going to show you the next knit now. So now I've got this gorgeous cotton blend Cardi. It comes in three colors, black, blue and navy. This is the blue. So it's got a great tie. So you could actually just wear it loosely at the back like that if you wanted to, and just have it as a waterfall Cardi. Or you could actually wrap this neatly around and have it like a wrap. Beautiful little Cardi. Again, girls, super, super soft. Really nice, and a really nice rib all the way through, and a really beautiful cornflower blue. This, I think it's great. Looks good with black. It would look good with denim. Be really nice with a wide leg pant as well, or jean. But I think these in the three colors are absolute great little styles for winter. And you could dress them up. You could actually put a long sleeve top if you needed some extra warmth. I'm just wearing them with a little cami underneath. Now I've got this gorgeous wool blend long line Cardi. What's fantastic about this, girls, is the way the lines shape beautifully over your waist. So the silhouette of coming in at the waist and then swinging away, really great design. It's got a really light little print, like self hole down the middle, down the front here. So great little panel down there, really, really slimming. And just an awesome throw over the top of anything. So you could put this over a plain dress, you could put it over denim as well. It can dress things up or dress things down, and it's a little bit sort of not a long sleeve, it's got a little roll, but a really nice knit through there too. Feels really good, it's not itchy, really soft, beautiful wool blend. Okay, I'm on to the bamboo, girls. Now, bamboo, what a fabric. Great for summer and winter. This top is an oversized tee. Everybody loves a pocket. I don't know what you'd use this one for, but I think it's just for looks, girls. With this top, what's great about it, because it's got such a large armhole, you could actually wear a tight, long sleeve, maybe bamboo top underneath if you needed extra warmth. Perfect for summer, spring, all seasons with bamboo. It's breathable, it's anti-wicking. There's so many fantastic qualities of bamboo. And what's great about this is, again, it has this asymmetrical line, the pocket on the side, perfect, super flattering, girls. Great with some skinny jeans or tights, or some ponte leggings. Just a great little top to have in your wardrobe for all seasons. Okay, the great thing about bamboo, girls, is it's so soft you actually can do anything with it. It's like playing with plasticine. So this Drape wrap is fantastic. You can do so many things with it. You could wear it like this if you wanted to, and I guess in winter we would definitely wear a long sleeve top underneath, or even a turtleneck. You could probably wear a shirt underneath this as well, a collared shirt, and just take this as a throw. So you could actually throw it around like that. Again, you know, it's another versatile piece for your wardrobe, or just to have in the car. You could probably even tie it if you wanted to, something a bit different. So lots and lots of different things that you could do with this wrap. You could even do it both ways. So again, fantastic on-trend colour for this season, and I'm sure it's going to be on trend for summer as well. And it comes in 2 colours, navy as well, so really, really versatile. Okay, girls, you've got to pretend I've got leggings on or some tights or bare legs. Again, this is the Drape dress. It comes in 3 colours. You could do this with a long sleeve underneath as well for winter to keep you warm, or you could wear this every season. So summer, winter, spring, autumn, because it's bamboo. Now I've left the label out. They're very big labels, girls. But that's because they have all the instructions and all the fantastic things that bamboo has and all its features and how to wash and look after them. So again, great little dress this, very forgiving. So this dress comes in navy and rust, girls. So I did say 3 colours. I thought I'd let you know what colours they are. So navy and rust, the same colour as this one. You wouldn't know I've got jeans under here. So this is the maxi dress and it comes in black as well. I absolutely love this dress. So you can imagine this belted or a long line vest over the top. You could dress this up or down. Again, you could wear some trainers with this. It's got a little bit of detail here on the side. So just a little bit of different styling and ruching there. So it gives you a different hemline. So fantastic, breathable brand for you to try. Whispers is new here at the Nest, Australian owned. So please hop on, have a look, and hope you've enjoyed this try on session. See ya.